10 vocal plus 10 dance K-pop songs that will make you pass your audition. 1. Love Poem by IU. Start strong with this emotional ballad. Judges love vulnerability, perfect for showing breath control and soft high notes. Why? It highlights your storytelling, exactly what SM wants. 2. The Truth Untold by BTS, feat. Steve Aoki, powerful yet emotional, great for male/female voices. The build-up lets you shine on high notes without screaming. Pro tip: focus on the rap song transition for charisma. 3. Eyes, Nose, Lips by Taeyang. Classic YG soulful vibe, shows R&B runs and emotion. If you nail the pain in your voice, they'll remember you forever. 4. Feel Special by Twice. JYP friendly uplifting vocal, mid-range power with emotional chorus, ideal for girls showing personality. 5. Spring Day by BTS. Emotional depth plus high notes, demonstrates range and stability, judges eat this up. 6. Through the Night by IU. Soft, controlled ballad, proves you can sing quietly yet powerfully, great for international trainees. 7. Drama by aespa. Modern edge with strong vocals, shows versatility for 4th/5th gen concepts. 8. You and Me by Jennie. Confident, stylish delivery, perfect for showing star quality. 9. Only by Leehi. Soulful and technical, high difficulty but massive payoff. 10. Canary by Chu, or trending 2026 vocal like Illit ballad, fresh emotional closer, shows your unique tone. 1. Kill This Love by Blackpink. Iconic powerful choreography, sharp hits and charisma, YG loves this energy. 2. Wannabe by ITZY. Confident girl crush, shows attitude and clean formations, beginner friendly but looks pro. 3. Mic Drop by BTS. Swag overload, powerful isolations and rhythm, perfect for boys or strong performers. 4. How You Like That by Blackpink. Explosive and trendy, great for global appeal. 5. Dalla Dalla by ITZY. Fun yet sharp, highlights versatility. 6. Love Shot by EXO. Smooth, sexy control, amazing for body waves and eye contact. 7. As If It's Your Last by Blackpink. Energetic and catchy, shows joy on stage. 8. Not Shy by ITZY. Playful power, easy to make your own. 9. Da-da-do by Blackpink. Intense and iconic, pure boss energy. 10. Maniac by Stray Kids, or trending powerful like Knife by HYBE. High energy closer with intricate moves, proves stamina. Pro tips to actually pass with these songs. These songs are gold, but here's how to win. Practice, record yourself daily, fix timing, emotion, and expression. Customization, change one part to show creativity. Don't copy 100%. Outfit and energy, clean look, bright smile, or fierce stare. Common mistakes, avoid over-singing, sloppy footwork, or no eye contact. Backup plan, prepare 2 songs per category.